Hello, my name is Sonia Luz Gomez Medina. I am a student from UNAD Florencia Caquetá. It's a pleasure to show you my fairy tale in the course Advanced English 2. Welcome. Once upon a time, a little boy with brown eyes, black straight hair, with some freckles in his face, and a huge smile, who lived in the forest surrounded by enormous trees and large quantities of birds. His name was Abel, and as many children in the forest, he preferred to stay in the woods than go to study. That morning, at all beginning of the week, he got up early, after giving a bath, put on his clothes, took a plate of bananas, and went out to school. The day was blazing with a shining sun, birds with different sizes and colors singing among the trees. Abel started to whistle them, thus immediately appeared casitas, jacanas, aras araucanas, tucanas birds, when suddenly, in addition to these, appeared beside his feet a tented bird. The boy never before had seen a kind of bird like this. It was black and gray, with long legs, and a weird sound when he started to sing. Why, I never have seen a bird like this, the boy thought. It is not a beautiful bird. Its color and long legs are similar to a heron, but it's so friendly. At that moment, he reminded a story told by his mom some months ago about a tented called Sorrow. The description was similar to this bird, so since now his name will be Tented, the boy said. Tented, what would you do if you did not want to go to school? Asked the boy. If I were you, I would go to study every day, answered the Tented. But if I prefer to stay here in the forest with all of you than go to closed rooms with children that live fighting with classmates or listening to a teacher begging for silence because nobody pay attention to her, said the boy. No. If you like animals, plants, and nature in general, you have to learn a lot about it in order to take care of them in the future. Animals like me and many others are endangered species. We need to be helped by someone. Why don't you? Said the dentist. One day later, Abel decided to take his book bag and came back to the school. He was so unlucky that while he gave bananas to the birds in the forest, somebody took his book bag far away. He spent all the morning searching his bag without any solution. Just in the late afternoon, his friend Kente arrived to tell him a great news. What will it be? Hello, my friend. Why are you so sad today? The Kente said. I have lost my book bag. Therefore, I couldn't go to school and neither I can arrive home. Can you imagine my mom? What is she going to say to me? Abel said. Don't worry, my little friend. If you study to protect me as well the flora and fauna. I will help you. Somebody known as the goblin lives next to the creek and enjoys hiding things behind that big tree. Some days ago, he hid a hunter shotgun day before had hidden a housewife broom. I'm sure he must have discovered things over there, but he likes hiding things just for enjoy when people start searching everywhere, said the dentist. But when he hid behind the big tree and got the toothbrush, the goblin had put inside some seeds from coconut and a young go-watching fruit trees. As soon as this happened, the pair of friends took a decision. I need to go to school because I want to study and learn to care about the environment and make a sustainable world, said the boy. If you decided to study, I promise I would walk with you to the school every day to avoid goblin eyes your things and nothing bad happens to you. I promise, said the bird, and they lived happily ever after. The end. Thank you. Bye.